In today's video, let us find the number of questions required to obtain a particular answer. My birthday is in January. What would be a sufficient number of questions with yes or no answers that will enable one to find my birth date? Options: A. 6, B. 3, C. 5 and D. 2. Solution. The given month is January, which has 31 days. Let us divide these 31 days into two equal halves. As 31 is an odd number, we may divide these 31 days into two equal halves as 1 to 16 and 16 to 31. 16 is repeated to make the total number 32, which is an even number. The objective here is to eliminate 31 days from these 32 days so as to find the remaining one date, which is the required birth date. Let us discuss the procedure in detail. Question 1. Is the date between 1 to 16? If the answer is yes, take the first half. If the answer is no, take the second half. In both the cases, we are left out with 16 days. Now, divide the remaining 16 days into two equal halves and then ask question 2. Is the date in the first half? If the answer is yes, take the first half. If the answer is no, then take the second half. In both the cases, we are left out with 8 days. Continue this procedure till question 5. Then, we will be left out with only one date, which is the required date. Thus, we get the required birth date in 5 questions. For example, let January 7th be my birth date, which is unknown to you. The following is the procedure you should follow to find my birth date. Question 1. Is the date between 1 to 16? The answer is yes. This implies that January 1 to January 16 are the possible days remaining. Question 2. Is the date between 1 to 8? The answer is yes. This implies that January 1 to January 8 are the possible days remaining. Question 3. Is the date between 1 to 4? The answer is no. This implies that January 5 to January 8 are the possible days remaining. Question 4. Is the date between 5 to 6? The answer is no. This implies that January 7 or January 8 are the possible days remaining. Question 5. Is the date January 7? The answer is yes. This implies that January 7 is the only possible date. Therefore, you get the birth date in question 5. Thus, for any date in January, the date can be found in 5 questions if you follow the above procedure. The right answer to the question is option C.